Hey guys, this is Andrew for TRENDLINES.com. So for those who are watching my video for the first time, let me quickly introduce myself. I've been working as a professional trader, actually an option trader for the past 6 years in Hong Kong, and I've decided a few months ago, guys, to do some YouTube videos because I want to pass the knowledge. I want to show you guys all the different tools and techniques that I use at work to make money on the markets, and I want to show you guys how to use it yourself. So if you want to know about all this stuff, you guys are in the right place. So today I want to make an update on AMC. Let's get into it. So this is the AMC chart on a daily time frame. So I do like regular updates, and I need to say that nothing is happening. There is not that much activity. The volumes, look at the volumes, they're just going lower. By the way, I just spot something, guys. But you can do a trend line on the volume, and same thing, guys. When we break it, they're gonna be more volume. So maybe it's gonna be around the 8th of April, something like this. This is just, a very rough guess. But I don't expect much to happen for the coming weeks. I mean, in terms of like strong moves. Let me show you very quickly, the kind of longer term analysis, because I think we have some time here. Maybe 1 week at least, maybe like 1 month before things start to kick in. Let me show you guys some basic trend line stuff that is giving you some nice support levels. So when I connect, the two recent highs that I have on those different trends, I've done this before, but I'm just doing it quickly here again. So you can see that here we had the first breakout. So I connect this one and this one in this trend. We have the first breakout here, then we retest it, a bit messy, then we go higher. And we go to the next one, and the next one, guys, is like when I connect this one and this one, and you can see here that we do the breakout perfectly. We are retesting it, and look, guys, here what is happening. It has actually hold, guys. So we went to 9, but only 1 day. For a trend line to be broken, you need to have 2 consecutive days that close below, and the next day right after, guys, we went above and we closed at 11. And right now, guys, we're consolidating here. So this is what I'm expecting for the coming week. I don't expect any strong moves up at the moment. Like I said in my previous videos, what can happen as well is that corrective moves often develop in 3 waves. So maybe we're gonna have some kind of A, B, C stuff, something like this. Maybe worst case 750. I told you guys this, but like this trend line is going to act as support. So I think we're going to have some kind of consolidation here, until the 15th of April, something like this. And then of course, guys, we're going to keep moving higher. All right, my levels are here. I showed you guys already this, but let me show you quickly again. I just measured the first wave, I applied to the bottom of the second wave, and I have my fib extensions. And the most likely one is the 1.61835, which surprisingly is as well the maximum, the all-time high we got on AMC. So when you have this kind of double information coming from 2 different methods, it gives more weight to your scenario. So 35 is my level, and I'm very convinced we're going to go there, but not right away, guys. All right. So let me show you something else. I'm going to show you some information about option chain. So you go on Yahoo Finance, you type AMC, you go to options just here, and you select your different expiry. So once again, the 16th of April is very liquid, but on AMC, guys, you need to go to June. The information is on the 18th of June, and you can see that on the 18th of June, you have a very big amount of call options on the 40 strike. So I computed this data, the same I did for GameStop. And here is the results. So this is only for April. And if I convert it into notional, go check my other videos to see how I do it. The notional that is sitting at the 40 strike is around 160 million US dollar. So guys, it's not that big, all right? As a percentage of market cap is only 1%. So you can have this kind of gamma squeeze as well on AMC. But this needs to grow. So I'm going to follow this. For now, it's not that big. And you can see, guys, that for GameStop, you have a very high concentration of call options on the April maturity, 16th of April. So, a big move is expected very soon. On AMC, you don't have anything on April. This is April, guys, all right? This is the open interest, but the shape is the same. You have 0 open interest at the 40 strike. You don't have anything at the 30. So people don't believe AMC can go to, you have the 20 strike, all right? But above 25, nobody believes it. For May, it's same, and you need to wait for June to see the option open interest to kick in. And in June, you have this kind of stuff, guys, all right? You have this 38,000 shares that are here. which if I convert into national gives me 200 million national. So this is what can create a gamma squeeze, but we need more of this. We don't see it now. Let me quickly go have a look at the short interest. The short interest of AMC, guys, same. I compute the data for the every 2 weeks and I record it here. It went from 40% to 10%. So hedge funds are actually offloading their positions. They're actually buyers, guys, same as for GameStop, you know, so there won't be a problem, you know, they won't put any selling pressure because you can see that they're basically, you know, just offloading their short positions, probably because they're not allowed anymore to, you know, have some short positions for those hot stocks. And so AMC is just going to follow a normal development of this kind of stock that corrects a lot, and it's probably going to come back to its all-time high step by step. So I don't know, June is a nice target. I think that maybe in June we're going to be at 35, and the coming month I see much more activity happening on GameStop, only if I look at the option open interest, which is what I do every day. So guys, if you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to click on the sub, like and bell button, and of course you're going to be the first to know when I upload anything new about AMC, GameStop or other stock that is hot. And stay close to shore.